We're back to the old school way of filming for right now. Ethan's not available. So I am just a man solo and his camera. We're gonna go party, have a good time. We got some containers over in Clarksville that we need to stick on a trailer. So we're rolling out in the main event and we're gonna go do main event things. A little bit tired this morning. I got up around 4:30, had to go move a back truck at a zinc plant. And it was wet and rainy, and it may or may not have kind of whooped my butt. And I got all kinds of dirty, and it sucked. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. Just got back to the office, and I was laying there being lazy to start the morning, trying to catch me a little bit of a nippy nap. We won't tell the boss about that. And this call came in, so here we are. All right, so we're gonna make our way over to Clarksville Mobile Mix, good customer of ours, and load some containers. So I'll see you when we get there. Let's see here. So we're at 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you line up where that says 50 ton,
yep, with
this right here.
Okay.
And then that way I'll be centered. They won't move on me when I pick them up.
You want me to stand here?
Yeah, just holler. I'll be able to hear you. Where this rim sling got worked. Ever mention how much I hate these rim slings? Yeah. Ugh. I don't know why BA ever thought that was a good idea, but oh, that's a little bit of a deal, huh? Uh-oh. Huh. Not an ideal situation right there. I guess we'll get 2 big shackles. Overkill on the rating, but okay. Yeah. I'll need 4 of those if there's 4 in there. Yeah. There should be 4 in there. And there should be 1 more just laying down in the bottom there. And then if you would, take those 2 back down with you and just hang them on that next hole over where there's just 1 hanging. Thank you. Overkill on the rating here, but doesn't hurt, I guess. Except for that. That was a little bit of a predicament. Oh. For anybody wondering, these weigh like 4,000 pounds. That's why I'm using rim slings, because they're rated for 18,000 in a vertical. I'm well within working load on all of my rigging. Well, we weren't quite centered, but what do you do? You want it all the way against the gooseneck? Okay. Go ahead, just take her on straight back. Right there. Let me get her a little closer, and when I boom down, it'll push it out. Is that good there, or do we need to bring it more forward?
We can bring it forward a little bit, can you?
Okay, what I'm gonna do, since it's not straight perfectly, I'm gonna rotate backwards and just have you back up more. That way the container lines up straighter with the the bed, so we don't have to push it as much. Go ahead, come on. Right there. Hey, we got some room to push it out if you want.
How much?
A lot.
A lot? Well, we can push it that way.
Yeah, we should be able to line it up. If we line up the edge of the container with the inside of that metal rail, I'm just gonna boom out and it'll take it right out. That's money, buddy.
That's good.
That's money right there. Thank you. And if you want, just pull straight forward, and then I'll just pick that one up and boom in and set it down on your trailer. Get away from there. And then we'll do the same thing I did on the last one. I'll rotate it around, line it up with your trailer, and have you back up. All right, I'm gonna come to that side. Don't push it. Steady. All right, there you go. Go ahead and back up. Well, you want them touching, I assume, or right before touching? Yeah. Okay. Little more. Yep, we're on the trailer. Yeah.
That'd be good. We'll ride.
All right. Looks good for my house.
Yep.
If you guys know or not, or any of our viewers that have been with us for a while, this is the same customer that has the George Jones K100, so that we towed for him a while back. He's the owner of that K100, and what he was just telling me was that they're fixing to move it and have it, we're going to transport it to Vienna, Illinois, where he can get started on restoring it. So that's pretty cool. And then hopefully we'll be able to get some updates. He said he couldn't find anybody around here locally to start restoring it.
What kind of truck you picking up in Calvert City?
I guess it's a brand new, either a Freightliner or a Western Star. It's that tag up there.
Oh, you going right up there?
I'm not going to do it. I got another driver that will though.
Brand new.
Yeah, it's brand new, and they want us to take it to their yard, I guess.
So, yard?
Their yard. We're going to take it to our yard, and then they want it up at their place by Wednesday.
Where at?
In Henderson.
Henderson?
Yeah.
Why aren't they driving it?
They probably don't have drivers. I'll bet you it's one of those deals where the company ordered the truck, and the economy went to crap, and they're kind of screwed to pooch, and they have to have the truck. But they don't have anybody to go pick it up.
I figured Bob would take it up there.
I don't know.
Yeah, a lot of times Bob delivers some things.
I don't know. We're not against it. I'll take it up there.
Oh, yeah.
Especially when it's on our time. I like doing those. So I can just have a driver head out first thing in the morning.
All right. Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna get this wrapped up, get all my stuff put away, and go help Shane with his load shift, see what his status is. So, and then he was talking about possibly having us move that blue one up to Vienna, Illinois. He's gonna call me in a little bit and let me know, and yeah, we'll go from there. So, all right, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and let me know. Leave a comment down below on what you think about this this quick little rotator job here, and we'll see you next time. Okay, bye.